Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Linux. The easiest way to enjoy Fortnite on your Linux system is by utilizing cloud gaming services. These platforms handle all the heavy lifting, streaming the game directly to your computer. This means you don't need to worry about complex installations or compatibility issues, just a good internet connection. Several excellent cloud gaming services can bring Fortnite to your Linux machine. GeForce Now is a top choice, offering high-performance streaming. Xbox Cloud Gaming is another fantastic option, letting you play directly through your web browser. Researching which service best fits your needs and location will ensure a smooth experience. Once you've chosen your service, the setup is straightforward. Simply create an account and log in through your preferred web browser on Linux. Navigate to the game library, locate Fortnite, and click to launch it. The service will handle the game's execution, allowing you to jump into the action quickly and without local installation. To get the best possible Fortnite experience on Linux via cloud gaming, a few tips can help. A wired Ethernet connection is highly recommended over Wi-Fi for stability. Also, close any other applications or browser tabs that might consume bandwidth or system resources. Keeping your web browser updated ensures the best streaming quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.